we have achieved glass skin, and that too with a toner. You need a fan and your favorite hydrating toner, and in just 10 minutes, you will have soft, hydrated, plump, glowing skin. Today, I'm going to share with you a Korean skincare technique which is called the 7 skin method or the skin flooding method. This is a simple technique जहां आप अपना कोई भी favorite hydrating toner लेते हैं and you layer it onto your skin in a specific order, or you can take multiple hydrating or hydrating plus milky toners and you layer it on. This kind of a routine is ideally done in the nighttime skincare routine, especially on your hydrate nights, यानी उन रातों पे जब आप कोई actives नहीं लगा रहे. No AHA, no BHA, no retinol, just simple TLC. That is when it is ideal to do the skin flooding method. I'm going to share a demo with you today once again. The last time I did it was over 2 years ago, and especially given it's the winter months, it is an ideal technique to do. And the best part is you can do it with your favorite toner. Hello, and welcome to Skincare Simplified. मेरा नाम है निपुन, आपकी skincare bestie and a certified skincare consultant. Let me show you a quick hack to getting glass skin with the Korean skin flooding method. Before we get started, take a moment to like, subscribe, or do nothing. I'm just so happy you're watching me today. Now let's get started. Now, I am going to use multiple toners because I have multiple toners and मुझे आपको review भी देना है. So that is the reason I will use multiple toners. But remember, you can do this with any single toner. I'm going to give you a list of multiple hydrating toners that I have shared over the years. आप कोई भी hydrating toner use कर सकते हैं. Hydrating toners are toners जिनमें कोई actives नहीं होते. So we're looking at no AHA, BHA, retinol, vitamin C, azelaic acid, tranexamic acid. इस तरह का कोई high strength active नहीं होना चाहिए. You just need something that is simple, hydrating, etc. So मेरे skincare routine का first step for months now, actually since the month of August, has been this SK2 essence. I got it again. I've used it years ago, but I got it again this year. And I have been using it regularly. As you can see, I've finished it off. My review is that I like the way this makes my skin feel, but अभी तक मुझे इससे इतना प्यार नहीं हुआ है that I will go ahead and recommend a $250 product to you all. It is a good to have. It's not a must have. I'm going to finish this bottle and then I'm going to see what we do. So my first step is this. It's a hydrating essence. Obviously, it has fermented ingredients. You can get started with any kind of a hydrating toner. I am going to consider this as my step 1 कि मैंने first step में एक hydrating toner लगा लिया है. Minute you apply the first layer of whatever hydrating toner, वो आपकी skin में बहुत जल्दी absorb हो जाएगा because your skin is going to be clean and dry. For the second layer, I'm going to apply this one. This is the Medicube PDRN Cica toner. I believe I've given you a review of this. ये इस तरह की स्प्रे बॉटल में नहीं आता है. I have just added a spray pump. You can do that with any of your toner bottles. I'm just going to spritz it on my face. This is my layer 2. And then you're just going to gently tap it onto your face and then press and massage the product so that it gets nicely absorbed onto your skin. Make very gentle movements. These kind of hydrating toners, you can apply it around your eye on this orbital area, ये जो bone वाला area होता है, and that's it. You don't need a fan, हाथ भी use कर सकते हो. My second layer is dry, and now I'm going to go with the third layer. For the third layer, I'm using this hydrating toner by a brand called Fresh. I was hyper obsessed with this back in 2021, 2022. Then I never repurchased it and I just got it this time from my US trip. So this is what I'm going to use. Like I said, you can use the same toner. Whatever hydrating toner you have, Haru Wonder, anyone else, Cosrx, whatever, उसी को आप 3 बार लगा सकते हो. So this is the Fresh one. The next few layers that I will do, I'll continue to do with this one. Most of these toners which are hydrating in nature बिल्कुल पानी जैसे होते हैं. So remember, don't waste your money by putting them on a cotton pad. Directly हाथ पे लेके इस तरह से massage it onto your face just as I am showing it here. Take it down to your neck and you can take it on your chest area as well. Took a little extra, but this is really my third layer. And the one thing I see a lot of Korean people do is tapping the product onto the skin. Don't have to slap yourself, just go and do light taps. By the time you reach the third layer, आपको already ऐसा feel होगा that your skin will feel super hydrated, वैसे ही जैसे आपको feeling आती है when you apply a serum. Now we're doing the fourth layer. So my skin is really dry, and it's more dry since the winter has started. So for me, going in with multiple layer makes sense. Skin is more combination or oily. You can stop at 3 layers or 4 layers. My 4 layers are complete, and my skin is already feeling super, super hydrated and plump. And now we're going to go in with the next layer. So now we have technically 3 more layers left. हमें करना है layer 5, 6 and 7. So for the last layer, it is going to be the milky toner. So now in the next 2 layers, you can definitely continue with the same product, or you can use a product or a toner which is slightly more hydrating. So this one is by Fresh again. This is called the Kombucha Facial Essence. And if you have ever used the Haru Haru Black Lice Toner Essence, the original one, this texture is very similar to that. So it's a super hydrating toner, and that is what we're going to go with for our layer 5. Now understand, initially you will not need the fan, but as your skin starts to get more and more hydrated, and for the skincare product to absorb nicely, you will need to like fan your skin a little bit, because otherwise वो ऊपर रह जाएगा and आपको बहुत time लगेगा. And the other thing that you're not supposed to do is just on wet skin keep putting on stuff, because it's just going to mix and be soapy. So just fan your skin a little bit. This is layer 5 and the skin is feeling nice and plump. And now we're going to go in with our layer 6 with the same essence, which is by Fresh. Last layer, I'm again going to tap it into my skin. Just look how glowy the skin is. It's like, this is like reflecting, like glass skin. फाइनल लेयर के लिए आप सेम टोनर यूज कर सकते हैं, बट आई विल गो इन विद अ मिल्की टोनर. हारू हारू ब्लैक राइस टोनर इज ओवर, बट ये जो थोड़ा सा है विच आई हैड एक्चुअली कैरिड टू द यूएस इन लाइक अ ट्रैवल साइज, ये थोड़ा सा बच गया है, सो आई हैड मार्क्ड इट एज वेल. दिस इज वॉट आई एम गोइंग टू यूज एज माई लास्ट स्टेप. I cannot tell you guys, this is literally like a nice hug for your skin. It has been a while. I have not loved a toner so much. And this is not just a toner. This is like a toner, an essence, a serum. And if you are someone with oily skin or combination skin, this is also like a moisturizer. The only thing I would recommend is that if you're someone with acne prone skin, then avoid this. In fact, avoid all milky toners. And this is what comes on to our last step. Like I said, I used multiple toners so that I could also give you a quick review. But if you have one hydrating toner, one milky toner, or just one hydrating toner, I promise you, you can definitely do this. Last step में हम eye cream लगाएंगे और हम अपना moisturizer लगाएंगे. I'm not really in a mood to apply any eye cream because I have a feeling that after so much toner, the eye cream is not going to penetrate. So I'm going to skip it to now. In with a Barrier Recovery Moisturizer. This one is by Skin Fix. And nothing fixes your skin faster than Skin Fix. See an updated list of the best barrier recovery moisturizers? Let me know. So this was a quick tutorial on how you can do the skin flooding or the 7 skin method. Now let me tell you, if you have TikTok wherever you live, then this technique has been used and abused. So I have seen creators using tretinoin after this, using AHAs and BHAs after this. Please don't do that, because number one, जब आप skin flooding करते हैं, once you've applied so many layers of a hydrating product, nothing is really going to penetrate. The only thing you can do for your skin and the best thing you can do for your skin skin is to use a nice barrier recovery moisturizer upper. So that's number one. Number two, when your skin is so deeply hydrated, when your skin is so like wet, if you are going to apply a retinoid or an AHA or a BHA, you have really high chances of damaging your skin barrier. So again, don't do that. This technique is fabulous. अगर आप इसको अकेले करते हैं, you do it on your own on a night when you're skipping your actives, whenever your skin is feeling dull, dry, dehydrated, and you just need that extra dose of TLC. Video pasand aayi, helpful lagi? If yes, let me know. I'll see you soon in a brand new video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.